This quick guide shows how to buy shares of Vistance Networks Inc., ticker VISN, listed on NASDAQ, and gives a brief overview of the company. Vistance Networks works in telecommunications and network infrastructure, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar to enter the ticker VISN and locate the Vistance Networks listing. Select the result showing the NASDAQ exchange to open the correct stock page. On the asset page, review the company description and the price chart to confirm it is the correct listing. Make sure the page shows NASDAQ and the ticker VISN before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, review the details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may queue as a pending market order, and if your balance is insufficient, eToro will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once a trade executes. Check the description for the example eToro link if you want to follow these steps.